Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Harman. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. You can turn off the video. That's not required. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start now. Let's start our first lecture for today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope you have watched those some videos which you might have got on WhatsApp. Did you watch them?
Yes, sir, I have watched.
Okay. Good. So in the first lecture, see, we are starting this German A1 level, okay, and then I guess after A1 you should do A2 B1 accordingly as per the requirement. Okay, so
Yes.
all the other things I have already told you on the phone call itself. After our
Fine.
course, you can easily write the international certification exam, the Goethe exam also you can write. Okay, and we will be covering all the modules: reading, writing, listening, speaking, everything we will be covering.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So I have shared my screen. I hope you can see my screen. All these,
Yes, sir.
yeah, all these materials I'll be giving you. So no need to write down anything. You print out later or take down the notes later. Okay,
Okay.
right? Yeah. So just enjoy the lecture. Ask me as many questions as possible, and let's start then. So see, we'll be starting with the very first topic. So whenever we start a new language, whenever we start learning a new language, we start with the topic of pronunciation. Okay. So
Okay.
in pronunciation, what do? We see what are the sounds of the letters. Okay. Whatever
Yes.
different letters are there, what are their respective sounds like A, B, C, D, whatever this script, then what are the
Yes.
corresponding sounds in that? So that we'll be seeing here. So
Yes. Yes.
German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the same ABCD which you have in English, the same ABCD used in French, German, all the other European languages. It's the same script is used. Before I start with this sound, I'm just playing one video here, that ABCD video. Okay, so that is
Okay.
basically the German ABCD: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So
Okay.
try to listen to that. Okay, I am playing it twice, and then we'll be comparing this ABCD with the English ABCD. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, try to listen to it. I am playing it twice. Yeah. Hmm.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay, so that is the German ABCD, right? Now, see if I compare it with the English ABCD. So you have to repeat it with
Yes.
me. In English, we say A B C D E F G. In German, we say A B C D. Speak. A B C
A
D. Hmm. A B C D.
B C D
A
E
F
F G.
G. Correct. A B C D A F G. Okay.
Yes.
Correct. Next, we have is HIJKLMNOP. So in German, we say Ha I Yot Ka. Speak.
H I J K
LMNOP.
L M N O P.
Ha I Yot Ka LMNOP. That is the German ABCD. Okay.
Okay.
Ha I Yot Ka LMNOP.
P.
Clear? Good.
Yes.
Then QRSTUVW in English. QRSTUVW. In German, we
In
say
English.
QRST. Speak.
Q R S T
UVW.
U V W.
Correct. QRST UVW.
V.
Right?
Q
QRST.
R S T U V W.
Good. Then we have XYZ. Okay. XYZ in
Yes.
English. In German, we have X, Y und Z.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. X Y und Z.
Correct. X, Y und Z.
Z. Okay.
Right? So the word und, when I say the word und means and.
Okay.
The word und means and.
And.
So now I am playing this video again. Try to listen to it. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to learn this German ABCD.
Yes.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah. Now clear?
Yes.
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
And set.
Simple. Okay.
Yes.
I am sending this video to you later after the class. You can download it from here from the Skype chat and you can listen it 2-3 times. Okay.
Okay.
See where you will be needing this video. This German ABCD, nobody is going to ask you, right? It is, just like whenever you have any capital letter in front of you. For example, if I have the word
Yes.
like BMW, the car company. Okay. So in English I say BMW. In German I will say BMW.
Okay.
Right? Or example, you have a word like CD. Okay, the movie CD which you buy. So CD. So in English you say CD. In German we will say CD.
CD.
Okay, ABCD. So like that, CD. So whenever you have any
Okay.
capital letter in front of you, that capital letter you have to speak as per the German ABCD. Okay?
Okay.
Not as per the English ABCD. Yeah? Simple? Okay.
Even the smaller alphabets.
No. Capital letter I am saying. Right? Wherever you are required
Okay.
to speak the capital letters, there you will use the German ABCD. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now we'll start with our actual topic of pronunciation. Okay, so far it was just the ABCD. Now we'll start with the actual topic of pronunciation of these letters. So whatever this ABCD
Yes.
you have done, right? Whatever
Yes.
ABCD you have done, now you have to understand what are the sounds which these letters comprise. For example, A is
Okay.
there, then what are the sounds of A? Like whether it is A, whatever is the sound. Okay,
Yes.
that thing you have to understand. So that is a real topic which will help you to read any German text in front of you. You have to practice these sounds properly. So
Okay.
German, as I told you, German uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. Okay, the same
Yes.
Roman set of alphabets are there from A till Z. These are classified into two parts, vowels and consonants.
Yes.
Right? These are classified into two parts, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are the remaining B, C, D
Yes.
till Z. Okay?
Of English, na?
Yes, of English. So same we have in German also.
Okay.
Okay? So same 5 letters are vowels in German and the same 5 letters, the remaining 21 are consonants in German.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So, before I start with the sound of this A, E, I, O, U, I'm just drawing one table here. See the table? B, D, G, P, T, K. Whenever any word in German, if it ends with B, D, and G. Whenever
Okay.
any word in German, if it ends with B, D, and G, then respectively the sound of B and D. If the word is ending with B, D, and G, that means in the end of the
Okay.
word, if B, D, or G is coming, then respectively the sound of this B, D, and G will be per, t, and k.
Okay.
Okay, so if
Per, t, and k of German or in English, the sound will be.
the sound of per, t, and k which you have in English, Hindi or English.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
the same sound will come. So I'll explain you with one example. See, GIB is a German word. This one.
Yes.
Okay, so I told you whenever the word is ending with B, the B will have the per sound. So this is spoken not like gib, it's geep, per will come. Okay, so the
Okay.
actual sound is geep. Speak geep.
Keep.
Yes. Then KIND. It is ending in D. Sound is t. So kint. Speak kint.
Kent.
Yeah.
Kent.
Kint. KIND. So sound is t. Kint. Then TAG. G in the end is k. Speak the example.
Ta.
Tak. Very good. Okay. So
Tak.
this first word. This is the actual German word. The right hand side, this is the actual meaning, and in the middle, this is just the sound which you have to
Okay.
speak. When you are speaking, this is the sound which you have to make.
Uh, okay.
Okay, so Geep, Kint, and Tak. Simple.
Yes.
Geep, Kint, and Tak. Now the next
Okay.
letter which we
Yes.
have is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. A is having two sounds, A and
Okay.
A. A is having two sounds, A like Harman, A. And also like Harman, Harman, Harman. Okay, got it? So how you will identify? How you will identify whenever after A only one consonant. Okay, you have to count the consonants. Consonants are this B, C, D till Z. So after A, if only one consonant, then it is the A sound, otherwise A sound. After
Okay.
A, only one consonant. So see the example, ALT. Tell me how many consonants after A?
2.
2. Very good. Let's hold on. See the second example. How many after A?
1.
1.
Okay, but I
Directly.
have a question. Like E is the vowel, so after that we will not count it.
Yes, we will not count it because I am asking for direct consonants. Okay. So direct consonant is only G. After that a vowel is coming, so I'll stop my counting there.
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Then TRAGEN. After A, how many?
1.
1. Very good. So I told you after A, when it is only one consonant, that will have the A sound. Otherwise, A sound.
Okay.
So speak this example. After A, two consonants. So this is alt. Speak. Alt. Very good. Then Fragen. Speak. Fragen. Next.
Dragon.
Very good. Okay. Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Yeah. Okay. Then next is the E. E is having the A sound. A sound. Okay. Right. I am not talking about this letter A. I am talking about the sound AY. Just like you have a mathematical term area. Okay.
Yes.
So area of square. You say area of square in mathematics. Okay.
Yes.
So area, if you see this word area, the first A is having that A sound. Okay.
Yes.
So that is the sound of German E. German E is just equal to the sound of the first A in the English word area. A. So this is SN. Speak. SN. Speak. SN. SN. Next. Second. Egal. After A, one consonant. See. One consonant na? After A.
Yes.
Okay.
Egal.
After A, it's one consonant. That's egal. Very good. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. I is having two sounds, long E like sheep. Okay. Long E like sheep and short E like tip. Short E like tip or football kick.
Okay.
Football kick, short E. Okay. Short E like football kick. And the rule is same. The rule is same. You know, if after I only one consonant, then it will have the long E sound. Just like in A na. So after A one consonant long A, otherwise short A. So just like that, in I, after I one consonant, that will have the long E, otherwise it's short E.
Okay.
Okay. So see the first example. Tell me how many consonants after I?
3.
3. So it will be short E. Speak. Ist.
Yes. Is.
Very good. Then WIDER. Speak.
Wieder.
Very good. Long E. Wieder. Okay. Then BILD. Speak.
Built.
Built. Okay. Why built? Because if you remember, I gave you one table also. Whenever D is coming in the end, the sound is T. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why this is built.
Okay.
Okay. Got my point? Ist, wieder, and built.
Yes.
Simple. Ist,
Yes.
wieder, and built. Okay. Let's come to the top again. See, GIB. Tell me after I how many? Only one?
One.
So long E. You can see Geep. Long E.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Yes.
KIND. After I how many?
Two.
Two. So
Kint.
short E. Okay.
Yes.
Kint. Then after A, how many? TAG?
One consonant. Tak.
Yes. Tak. G in the end is K. So tak.
Yes.
So I hope you are able to understand now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A, E and I. Shall we move ahead or you want to revise once from the top?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So B, D, G, P, T, K. Whenever any word ending with B, D and G, the sound will be per, ta and ka. So Geep,
Okay.
Kent and Tak. Then A is having two sounds, A and A.
Yes.
After A, if it is one consonant directly, that will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. So Alt,
Yes.
Fragen and Tragen.
Tak.
Then E is having the A sound, so
A
Sn and Egal.
Egal.
Yes, Sn and Egal. So in Egal we have like
Yes.
more than only one consonant after A, so that's the A sound, Egal.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Yes.
I is having two sounds, long E and short E. After one consonant, if you have only one, after I, if you have only one consonant, that will have long E. Otherwise, it's short E. Okay.
Yes.
So ist, wieder, and built.
Yes.
Simple.
Build.
Okay. Then
Yes.
next, which we have is the letter O. Letter O. O is having
Okay.
two sounds. O is having two sounds. O and
Okay.
O. Okay. O and O. After
Okay.
O, if it is one consonant, that will have the O for Korea. O for Korea sound. Right? After O,
Korea.
if it is
Okay.
one consonant. After O, if it is
Yes.
one consonant, that will have O for Korea sound. Got
Okay.
it? Otherwise, it's O for awesome.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is O for
Okay.
awesome. After O, if it is two consonant, then it becomes O for awesome. So speak the first
Awesome.
example.
Okay. It's a single consonant, so it's order.
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 Very good.
Order.
Next.
Single
SOLL.
consonant,
Speak.
so it's sol.
Zol.
Sol.
Zol. Okay. Single S is the. Single S is the for zebra and double S is sir. Right? Single S is the for zebra
Okay.
and double S is sir. So speak the example.
Double.
Zol.
So okay.
Yeah. Example
Zol.
is Zol.
Zol.
Correct.
Sol.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Then next is MONAT.
Okay.
Okay. MONAT. So speak the example.
Okay. Monad.
Monad. Very good. After
Monad.
O, one consonant. After A, one consonant. That is monad. Okay. Then KORB. KORB. Speak the
Yes.
example.
Okay. One, two consonant. Corp.
Corp. So B in the end is per. Okay. After O, two consonant. B in the end is per. So that becomes corp. Right? That becomes corp. Correct. So Oder, Zol, Monad, and corp.
Corp.
Yeah. Simple. Okay.
Yeah.
Oder, Zol, Monad, and corp. Next is U. Next letter which we have is U. So U is having just one sound. There is no counting. It's a simple U sound. Okay. U is having just the simple U sound. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. Okay. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. So speak the example. Tone.
Tone.
Yes. Tone. Next.
Tone.
Motor.
Motor.
Motor and no. After motor, next
one
is shoe. Okay. Shoe. See, this is a combination. Yes. SCH is a combination. I'll just brief you about the combinations. Once we have done the letters from A till Z, then we'll start with a new topic of combinations. So in combinations, what they have done, they have basically fixed some sounds. They have combined some sounds. Okay, so SCH is one such combination. So SCH sound is sh sound. Right? SCH sound is sh.
Yes.
Example, you might have heard of this company Schindler or Schneider. Right? It's an electrical company. It is making that elevator and lift. Or Bosch. It's a mechanical company, Robert Bosch. Okay. So SCH is having the sh sound. Sh.
Yes.
Yeah. Tone, mutter, and see this H in the end. This H in the end is always silent. Okay. This I will tell you in the consonants.
Okay.
H in the end is always silent, so that is just shoe. Only shoe.
Shoe.
Yeah.
Shoe. Okay.
Yeah. Tell me any doubt in A, E, I, O, and U? No?
No, sir, I'm not having any doubt.
Okay. So what I am doing is now I am sending you this PDF, right? Come to your Skype chat. I have
Okay,
sent you the
sir.
PDF. Download the PDF from the Skype chat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you will get it in 1 or 2 minutes. Check it. Got the PDF?
Yes, I have got.
Yeah, download the PDF, revise the rules from the table, and then from A, E, I, O, and U. Revise it properly for 5 minutes. Okay? When I say revision,
Okay.
I want that you should be able to retain the rules as much as possible. Okay?
Okay.
After 5 minutes, you will explain me from the top in brief whatever we have done. Okay? Only till A, E, I, O, U, and then we'll be starting with the consonants after 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
read that, try to understand that, and after 5 minutes, you will explain me in short whatever we have done. Yeah? Okay,
Yes,
good. Do them.
Sir, can I revise it by pronouncing myself?
Yes, you have to revise it at your end. Okay, after 5 minutes, you will read the words all together.
Okay, sir.
A, E, I, O, and then U.
Yes, sir, I have revised it.
Okay, so ready now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, so let me just share the screen. Then you start from the table. Okay. Just explain me in short the rule and then speak the German examples. Okay, you can see and then
Okay,
speak.
sir. Okay. So in this I have understood, like, if the words are ending with be, de, and ge in German, then we will pronounce it p, t, and k.
Yeah, the sound will be like
Then.
English PT and K, right? The sound will be like
Yes.
English PT and K.
Yes.
Okay, good. Example?
Example, like it's gip, a geep.
Geep. So B in the end, that's geep. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And the next one is Kent.
Hmm.
G
Next.
in the end is t,
Hmm.
and then the G in the end is tak, K.
Tak.
Yes.
Okay. Correct. Next is A. Speak the example. The rule of A first.
Okay, so the rule first is like if the A is coming before a single consonant, so
Hmm.
it's A. And if the A is coming before the more than two consonants, then it's
Not
us.
not yes. After, okay, correct. Before single consonant, that's A. Otherwise right? Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm. Next
Okay.
example.
Example, it's art,
Alt.
and the other
Next.
one is fragen because
Hmm.
only one consonant is after
Hmm.
that.
Hmm.
Then the next one is dragon.
Hmm. Next.
Next is E.
Hmm.
So basically, its sound is A.
A just like A for area in mathematics. Okay.
Area, yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Should
Hmm.
I read the examples too?
Yes. Obviously.
Okay.
Hmm.
Asan.
SN, not SN, A, SN.
Okay, Asan.
Hmm.
The next one is egal.
Egal. Next.
Yes.
Hmm.
So the next is I
Hmm.
or E. Okay. So if the I is coming, wait a second.
Yeah, after I, if single consonant is coming, that will have long E, otherwise it will have
Yes.
short E. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
So the examples are it's
Ist.
and the
Next.
Yes. Next one is wieder. Wieder.
Next.
Next is build.
Okay. Built.
Yes.
Ist, wieder, and built.
Build. Yes.
Yeah. Next is O. Speak the example of O.
Oh, wait a second. Okay. Tun. Tun. Then the next one is motor.
No, O. That is you. I'm asking for O. Speak the rule of O first.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
So O. Before single one. It's like if the O. Okay. If the single consonant is there after O, then it's the Korea O. O.
Correct.
And if the double consonant is coming, then it's awesome. O.
Yeah. Next.
Okay. So it's the single consonant. Order.
Not all. It's order.
Yes. Order. Then the next one is. Should I explain the S1 rule also?
Yeah. Explain everything.
Okay. So you taught me if the single S is there, so it's Z sound, Z, and if double S are there, then it's S sound.
Double S is Sa and single S is Z for zebra. Okay.
Yes, sir. So it's Zol.
Next.
Next is single. Okay. Monad.
Next.
Okay. Next one is Corp.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next.
Next one is U. Okay. So you explained me like it's neither too long or neither nor it's too short.
Correct.
So
Correct.
it's basically tone.
Tone. Next.
Yes. Then it is motor. Motor. And the next one rule is if this is SCH, it's sure.
Yeah, SCH
like
is sure. Okay, and H in the end is silent. So shoe.
Silent. Then it is shoe. Yes.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Now we are starting with the consonant. So first consonant which we have is B. Okay. First consonant which we have is B. So if you remember, we had done one table. Okay.
Yes.
So that was BDG, So whenever B comes in the end, the sound is per. Yeah.
Yes.
So now the first rule here is, whenever the word B is coming in the end, if you see my mouse pointer, whenever B comes in the end, the sound will be per. Rest everywhere in the word. If it is coming in the beginning or middle, anywhere, everywhere it will be B for Bombay. Okay. Yeah, B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Okay, so it's Baylan.
Belen. Very good. Next.
Okay. Next one is single consonant. So it's Auburn.
Oben.
Auburn.
Oben.
Auburn.
Hmm.
Yes. Next one is Corp.
Corp. Next.
Next is Geep.
Geep. After I, one consonant. That is the like B will sound like
Geep.
P. Geep.
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Then next is C. C is having the simple K sound. Okay. C is having the simple K sound. K like K for kite. That one.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. K for kite. So speak the example.
Okay. It's the single consonant. No. The single consonant.
Hmm.
Camping.
Camping. Camping. Okay. Yeah. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Camping. It's an English word, so you can speak it like camping. Camping.
Okay.
Okay. So that's camping. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Because it's an English
Yes.
word basically. So we don't have to follow that German sound here.
Okay, but I want to know one thing. Like,
Hmm.
it's not still clear. Like,
Hmm.
it's M and P. So there are two consonants, and
Yes.
we are only counting one consonant
Yes,
after A.
that I will tell you why. Because here we don't have to apply all the rules, because this word they have taken from English. Okay,
Okay.
so we can directly speak it like English. Just like there's one word called pizza in English.
Yes.
Okay, so we never call it as pizza. We say pizza. Why? Because we speak like its native language sound. So pizza is a word of Italian language, native Italian language. Okay,
Okay.
so we speak it like the Italian accent only. So whatever words we are importing from some other language, we have to speak it like its original language only, always.
Okay.
Okay, so here you don't have to apply all that 1 and 2 counting and all. You can simply call it as camping. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Next is D. So D, BDG, PTK. So D in the end is T, right?
Okay.
D in the end is
Yes.
T, and beginning or middle it's D for dog. Beginning or middle it's D for dog. So speak the first
Dog.
example.
It's Doom.
Dum. Okay, now speak the fourth example. Fourth one first.
Okay. Bat.
Bart. D in the end is T. After A, one consonant. That's Bart.
So it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Good.
Bat.
Next, HAND. Speak next.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hunt.
Hunt. Okay.
Yes.
Got it? Got now? So
Yes.
Doom, Bart, and Hunt.
Hunt.
Okay. Hunt. Now see, these EI and IE are also vowel combinations. So I'm writing their sound. First one I told you that SCH is sh sound. Okay.
Yes, sir.
SCH is sh sound. Now EI will have I sound. I sound. Just like you have the examples like try, cry, okay, shy.
Okay.
In English you have
Yes, sir.
this I sound present. Try, cry, shy. And IE will have E sound, long E sound. Okay. Example, if I say tea, or if I say coffee, right? That long E. Or if I say if I say like key, right? The key
Yes.
of the Almira. So that E sound, that is the sound of IE. So EI will have I sound, IE will have E sound.
Yes.
Okay. The shortcut to learn is EI ending in I. EI ending in I. So sound is I. And
Okay.
yes. And IE ending in E, sound is E. That's the shortcut.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
And one more thing, whenever there is one single E coming in the end of the word. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is one single E coming in the end of the word, you will make the sound,
Okay.
Okay, so this
Oh.
becomes bider. Speak.
Ba-
Bider. EI is I, E in the end is bider. And next example.
Bider.
Yes. And next example,
It's weeder.
Weeder. Okay. Next example is weeder. See, right now you might be wondering, so many rules are coming one by one. Okay, but don't worry at all. See, this is just the first lecture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is just the first
Yes,
lecture, right? We have studied only for 20 minutes so far, 30 minutes so far. Okay, so once you devote some time with these rules, I'll be making you practice more than like 1,000 words before we start with the grammar. Okay, so all of the rules you will be able to retain very easily. So no need to worry, you will be able to retain all the rules. Okay, with proper
Okay, sir.
practice. Yeah, Doom, Bida, Wieder, Bart, and Hunt. But the advantage of these rules is if you practice them properly, I'm
Yes.
telling you, the language will become very easy for you. While you are
Yes, sir.
speaking and while you are reading any text, it will become very easy for you because actually you can apply your own brain when you are speaking, that how to calculate the sound of a word. Okay, otherwise
Yes, sir.
it is very tough language. In terms of pronunciation, it becomes tough if you don't have the
Yes.
rules properly. Because the problem is, they write something else and they speak something else. That is the problem.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why these rules are very important. So initially the rules might look difficult, but with practice within 1 or 2 lectures, you will be able to remember all the rules. Just like I don't forget, you will also not forget. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. The next letter is F. F is simple. For football. Okay.
Football. Okay. Fur.
Yeah. Now there is one more combination. AU. AU is one
Okay.
more combination. So I am writing it here. AU is, all these combinations will come in the next lecture. Ao.
Okay.
Ao. Just like you have the English word how, cow, now. Okay.
Okay.
That ow sound. So AU will have ow sound. Speak foul.
Ow.
Foul.
Wait.
Ow.
Foul.
Yes. Next.
Okay. Shaft.
Shaft. Why? Because I told you that SCH is sh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this, and after a one constant, that's shaft.
Shaft.
Okay, good. Next is G. BDGPTK. Okay. G in the end is k sound. Beginning or middle is g for gun.
Gun. Okay.
Right? Beginning or middle is g for gun. So speak the example.
Gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Gegen.
Yeah. Gegen. Next.
Tak.
Tak. Next.
Yes. Klug.
Klug. Gegen, Tak, and Klug. Okay.
Klug.
Got it? Gegen,
Yes.
Tak, and
Klug.
Klug. Any doubt till G?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then next is H. See here. H is very important. See H, whenever H is coming at the first position, first letter,
Okay.
first position of the word. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever it will come at the first position, it will have the h for honey sound, h for hen sound.
Okay.
Okay.
Hen. Okay.
Yes. It will have the h for honey sound. Everywhere else, in the middle, second, third, fourth, till the end, everywhere else it is silent.
Okay.
Okay. Everywhere else it will be silent. So speak the example.
It's halt.
Halt. Next.
Next one is gain.
Gain. Okay. So H in the
Yes.
middle is silent. Don't
Silent.
speak gain. That's gain. Speak
Yes. Gain.
gain. Next.
Zain.
Zen. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Next is J. J is very important. It's very different sound. It's not like the J of English. It's having the ya sound. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So speak this example. Younger.
Younger.
Okay. Speak the example.
Yes.
Younger.
Younger.
Correct.
Younger.
E in the end is a. I told you E in the end is a, and
Yes.
J is here. That becomes younger.
Younger.
Clear? Then
Yes.
last we have the K, L, M, N, P. Okay.
Okay.
Last which we have is the K, L, M, N, P. That is having the same sound like English. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. K, L, M, N, P. The same sound which you have in English. So
Okay.
speak the examples from here.
Okay. So it's
Hmm.
classe.
Classer. Next.
Next one is okay. It's
Hmm. Chicken.
chicken.
Next.
Next is Claire.
Keller.
Keller.
Okay.
Keller.
Next is Keller. Next.
Yes. It's
Next is
wheel.
Will.
Wheel. Okay.
Next is will.
Will. Okay.
Will. Cluster. Chicken. Keller. Will. Next.
Will. Next one is Artman.
Atman. Atman. Very good. Next.
Yeah. Next one is Swim.
Swim. Next.
It's Renan.
Renan. Renan. Next.
Renan.
Hmm.
Next one is Brown.
Brown. AU is ow. I told you. AU is ow.
Yeah.
Okay. So brown.
Next one is Lippe.
Lipper. Lipper. Okay.
Lippa. Okay.
Yes. So you got it now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we have done till P. Okay. From A till P we have done. Now you
Yes,
download the file. Okay. From that you revise the rules from B till P.
Okay.
Okay. B till P. After 5 minutes we'll start, and then you have to explain me the sound of B and so on with the examples. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. I have done.
Ready now? We can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start from B. You can see and then speak.
Yes, sir. Okay, so basically the rule is if the B is in the center or wherever or or in the beginning, so its sound is B for ball, like B.
Yeah.
And if it's in the end, so it's P sound, B sound.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so the example is Balen.
Next.
Next is Oben.
Oben. Next.
Next is Quad.
Next.
Geep.
Yeah. Next. C.
Okay. So the rule for C is its basically sound is like K for kite, K.
Next.
And it's camping. As you told, it's we have to speak in their native language.
Yes. So they have taken from English. You can speak like
Yes.
camping.
Okay.
Next. D.
Yes. So you told me like if it's in the beginning or in the center, wherever, the sound is like D for dog, D. And if it's in the end, so its sound is T.
Yeah.
Okay. So the example is dome.
Dome. Next.
And the next rule for is its basically sound is I.
I.
Like how I. Okay, so it's bede.
Bider. Yeah.
Bider. Okay. So the next one is IE. You told me if it's IE, the combination is of IE, so the sound is long E. So it's Wieder. So next in the D is in the end, so its sound is Bart. After it, there is single consonant.
Okay, correct.
The next is Hunt. After it, two consonants. Okay. Next is F. Okay. So you told me basically the sound of F is like the word football. So you taught me new combination that was AU, and it's you told me like it's how.
Ow.
Ow. Yeah. So it's foul.
Foul. Correct.
Then it's okay. The next one is G.
Yeah.
Okay, so you told me if the G is in the beginning or wherever in the middle, the sound, and if it is in the end, the sound.
Correct. The sound will be K. So Gegen,
So
Tak,
the
and
example
Klug.
is
Gegen, Tak, and
it's
Klug.
Gegen.
Yes, correct.
Klug. Tak. Klug. Yes.
Klug. Good. Next is H. Speak the example.
Yes. Okay. Example is it's heart.
Okay.
So
H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Yes, sir. The next one is Zayn. Because in the beginning S is single, so it's Z. Okay. The next one is J, and its sound is like yellow, the Y in yellow. Yeah, so it's Junger.
Correct. Next.
Junger, yes. The next.
Okay. KLMNP.
Yes. So you told me like their sound is like the same as in English, like
correct.
that.
Correct.
So it's the examples are it's classe. Okay.
Yeah.
The next one is chicken.
Yeah.
Next is clear.
Next.
Next is will.
Next
is Atman.
Next
is swim.
Next
is Rennen.
Yeah. Okay. Rennen. Okay.
Rennen. Okay. The next one is brown. And the end is Lipa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Brown. Yes. And then Lipa. So what we have done total from A till P today. Okay. We have done total from A till P.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's do till here today. Okay.
Yes.
Now after P we'll be continuing in the next lecture. So just give me 1 second. Let me end this.